In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a forward icon in Figma quickly and easily using a free plugin. If you're building a UI design, a website mockup, or just need a clean forward arrow icon for your project, this is one of the fastest ways to do it without drawing anything manually. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple Figma tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and go into the design where you want the icon to appear. Once you're inside the design, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma gives you access to extra tools, shortcuts, and plugins that can speed up your workflow. After that, click on Plugins and Widgets. This section lets you browse and run plugins directly inside Figma, which is perfect for adding icons, illustrations, and other design assets. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is a popular plugin that gives you access to thousands of icons from different icon sets, so it's incredibly useful for designers. Once you see it, run the plugin. After the plugin opens, you'll see a search field inside Iconify. In that search bar, type forward and press enter. This will pull up a list of forward style icons that match your search term. You may see several options, so take a moment to choose the one that fits your design best. When you find the forward icon you want, simply drag and drop it into your design. You can place it wherever you need, resize it, recolor it, and align it with the rest of your layout. And that's it. You've now created a forward icon in Figma using Iconify in just a few simple steps. This method is great because it saves time, keeps your designs consistent, and gives you access to high-quality icons without leaving Figma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.